Your parents worked hard and succeeded, so why can't you? Show contrast 1980s versus today, wages versus cost of living. The promise of the American dream. What Americans were taught. Hard work plus honesty equals success past reality. Wages versus cost of living. Rent, healthcare, education rising. Salaries not keeping up. Middle class shrinking. Student debt degrees no longer guarantee jobs. Debt delays home ownership and savings. Automation and job insecurity. AI replacing jobs. Gig economy instability. No long-term security. Corporate power and inequality. Profits wages. Executives versus workers gap. Productivity without reward. Why some people still succeed. Not luck strategy. Skills degrees. Multiple income streams. What actually works today? Financial literacy. Investing early. Side hustles. High-income skills. Hard work isn't useless, but alone, it's not enough. Call to action, rethink success.